Hi kindergarten, I'm back with another recycling science challenge for this week. So remember when we read about recycling, we learned about how all different materials get recycled at a recycling center and made into new materials. So we don't have to get them from different parts of the earth. So here's your challenge. I want you to build your own recycling machine. So what you're going to do is you are going to choose something from your home that you would recycle. So it could be paper. It could be aluminum, this is tin foil, but it's typically cans. Or it could be, whoa, slippery. Could be plastic, so this is a little bottle cap. If you have a piece of, if you have a small, these materials have to be small because you are going to be building or planning. If you have a small like glass marble or bead or something that's safe to handle, you could use glass as well. That's something else we recycle. But I don't want you to be using sharp pieces of glass, of course. Sea glass, you could use sea glass if you have sea glass from the beach. So you have some choices. You can either draw your plan of how your recycling plant would work, how your recycling machine would work. Or if you want to, you can take it back to a construction challenge and you can construct your recycling machine or your recycling center or plant. So your goal is to take this recycled piece of plastic and show how it goes through the machines to be made into new materials. Like, what else is made of plastic? Your toys are made of plastic. Sometimes you have recycled plastic toys. So here's the plastic that gets recycled. And a lot of recycling plants, they use different kinds of machines to make it into really tiny, tiny pieces that they can then form together into new things, kind of like we did with our paper making experiment. So whether it is plastic being chopped up into tiny pieces and melted and formed into new things, whether it's aluminum, cans, aluminum foil being chopped up into teeny tiny pieces and melted, or paper, which is what we did with our recycling project today. So you can either build it out of whatever you have at home. You can build it out of recycled materials. You can build it out of Legos or blocks, whatever you have at home, and show us how this piece of paper gets turned into new paper. Okay, or how this piece of aluminum gets turned into new materials, like maybe cans out of aluminum. Same thing with plastic. And if you have a safe piece of glass, you could use glass too. If you don't have materials like that, you can draw out your plan of what you think and how you think it works. And I've attached a video of a real tour of a real recycling plant for you to check out, for you to be inspired by. And I hope you have fun. Show me what you make.